Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WebEx to Outlook. So first, in your desktop, head over and launch your WebEx app. And from there, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the gear icon or the settings icon. Then from here, a new window will then pop up. And in the general settings page, look for Show WebEx Availability in Microsoft Outlook setting and make sure that you tick this box. Then once done, click the Save. And here you can see a window that says you are now connected to Outlook. For changes to take effect, you may need to restart your Outlook app. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!